what do you eat now in a day, you and George? Not when you're trying to shred, but just maybe in off season. Tell us like your favorite breakfast, your favorite lunch, favorite dinner, and maybe snack.
So for breakfast, I love to either have cream of rice if it's during the week because it's easy, or in the weekend, I'll have like protein pancakes because I'll have a little bit more time to prepare. For snacks, I'll either have like a raw protein bar. I have this amazing brand that I love from Texas. This lady makes them by hand, and I'm obsessed with it. And I have for lunch, usually like a macro bowl or a Buddha bowl. So it's very colorful, where I'll have like either broccoli or a salad. I'll definitely have either rice or potatoes every single day. It's my favorite two carbs. And seitan or tofu is my way to go for protein. And I'll switch out the dressings depending on what I'm feeling for that week or that day. So that's kind of like how I'll take the same staples and switch out the flavors and, transform into different meal. And then for nighttime, I'd like to take my time. So it just depends. Right now, I'm really into the soup / a little slice of bread with it. And then some seitan or tofu on top. But yeah, during like maybe in the hotter months, I'll eat like more like another macro bowl or like a pasta dish at night.
And tell us that the name of, or how people might get that bar that you love.
So it's called Good Cravings Protein Bar. This lady, Ina, in Houston, Texas, makes them by hand. And I don't know how she's gotten that texture, but it's amazing. I've tried a lot of like protein bars, and this one's really nice. It has 16 grams of protein, and she uses only dates and just to sweeten the bar itself. And she has amazing flavors. And I'm really picky with like my textures and flavors, and like she just nailed it. So she has an amazing, amazing company there. Small business.